Hello student, welcome to next practical of mobile application development. Today we see the practical number 10, that is develop program to implement login window using above UI control. Okay, so we design one form, login form. So practical significance is in this practical all the previous UI control in Android like text view, edit text button which are studied are implemented in this practical. Okay, event are also handled on the Android UI control used in this practical. Okay, so in this practical we create one login button. Okay, so login button inside login button we use two text view, two edit view, and one button. Okay, so next is program outcomes of this practical: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, engineering tools, ethics, and lifelong learning. Okay, so here some screen is given like such we create we write the program for to create this screen. For to username we take text view. For password we take text view, and to enter username and password we take edit view, and one button for sign in. Okay, and one message is display like this: login successfully or invalid user. Okay, so let's see the program. Okay, here first we use the absolute layout. In absolute layout we create text view. Okay, for username. Okay, so for that we take text view. We define some attribute like layout width, layout height. Both values are wrapped content. We use absolute layout, so here we define x and y coordinate 49 dp, 61 dp. Okay, you define the x y coordinate, or you can directly set in design. It is automatically adjust in your code. Okay, so text for text view is username. Okay, and the id is t1. Okay, so this is our first text view. Second, edit text. Okay, so for enter username we take edit text. Okay, id is e1, height width is here mentioned 178 dp is width, and wrap content is height. XY coordinate. Okay, so here we create one edit text. Then we create text view for display the password. Okay, so id of the text view 2 is t2, then width and height is wrap content, x and y coordinate is according to design, and then text, here we display the password. So this is second text view, and similarly we create edit text, second edit text, id is e2, and then last we create one button. Button id is b1, height width is wrap content, x y coordinate to adjust the button. Okay, on screen, and then text of the button is login. Okay, so login एक button आपका display होगा. Then to display message, login is successful or invalid user, we take another text view. The id is t3, and layout width height is wrap content, xy coordinate is according to design, and here we create blank text. Okay, so the text is displayed by using the event. Okay, if the login is successfully, that time it display the successful, otherwise it will display wrong username and password. Okay, so this is design view, and then in main activity.java we write the event handling code. Okay, if the combination is right, if this username or password mention रहेगा, the combination is right, then it display the message. Okay, so some code are inbuilt code. Here we import some package: Android widget button, Android widget edit text, Android widget text view. Okay, and then Android view.view. Okay, so these are some packages import in Android. Then in main class we create three text view object: tx1, tx2, tx3. Okay, in activity we take the id t1, t2, t3, and in Java file we create object tx1, tx2, tx3. बटन के लिए bx1, edit text के लिए ex1, ex2. Okay, so take different name in activity underscore main XML and main activity dot Java. Okay, then here this code is to register your component, your object with the component. Okay, so for that tx1 text view find view by id r.id t1. Okay, so this is the text view object which is registered with t1, that is in your XML t1. Okay, so similarly we register all our object with the respective components t1, t2, t3, v1, e1, e2. Okay, so this is code to register your object with the component. Next one, here we write bx1 is the component is the object of button dot set on click listener. Okay, when listener when user click on the button, that time this listener is response. New view on click listener, public void on click view. Okay, inside that we use the if else loop. If ex1, ex means edit view dot get text to string. Okay, so get text is a method to retrieve the text in the edit view, and to string is convert into string equals to abc. अभी यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन करना है. Okay, hence we write this code. Okay, first this is first condition and this is second condition. First condition क्या है, ex1 that means edit view 1, get text means it take the text and to string convert करेगा string में और equals करेगा इसके साथ. Okay, अगर यूजर नेम abc है and this is the logical and operator and ex2 dot get text dot string is equal to abc. मतलब यूजर नेम abc होना चाहिए और पासवर्ड भी abc होना चाहिए. ओके, दैट टाइम इट डिस्प्ले द मैसेज कहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करेगा, टेक्स्ट tx3 में, दैट मीन्स टेक्स्ट व्यू 3. ओके, डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट लॉग इन सक्सेसफुली. ओके, हियर इफ लूप इज क्लोज इफ द कंडीशन इज ट्रू. कंडीशन कब ट्रू होगा, यूजर नेम इज abc स्मॉल एंड पासवर्ड ऑल्सो abc इन स्मॉल. ओके, दैट टाइम इट डिस्प्ले लॉग इन सक्सेसफुली. ओके, इफ यूजर एंटर अनदर यूजर नेम rather than abc or if it enter password rather than abc, that time else part is executed, tx3 set user name password wrong. Okay, so simple. Here we use the if loop and inside if loop we write the condition by using logical and operator. Okay, so this is your code, and when I run this program you get this page, experiment number 10 and username password. Yeah, these are the two text view, these are two edit view, and this is one login button. Okay, when I enter here A, B, C, password also A, B, C. So if I click on login, that time it display message login is successful. Okay, if I enter another username or D enter here, then it display username password wrong. Okay, so this is simple program to create the login button in Android. Okay, and this is your practical 10. Thank you.